G'day, I'm Alan Carrington for those who don't know me, but this is mainly for all my friends on Facebook and colleagues around the world. I just wanted to make a quick announcement of just a major milestone in the development of pretty well what's become my major work over the last 10 years. Today, I've completed all the modules of a video-based 7 modules one-day workshop on unpacking the Padagogy wheel learning and teaching model. Just quickly overview what it's all about, and this is just a view. It's really 7 20-minute modules. It's 120 minutes of live video designed for every hour of workshop is 20 minutes of video, 40 minutes of interaction and assessment. And it's all about answering tough questions. And these questions you need to ask as a teacher. For every teaching practice you want to use with learners, seek honest answers to. Am I using graduate profiles effectively? How am I building a learning culture that nurtures motivation? Am I writing effective learning outcomes using Bloom's Taxonomy? Are my app choices serving the pedagogy? Is my designing of learning activities effectively using SAMR? And the final one is, have I considered developing learning activities with app smashing to redefine tasks? And these are the questions that we address in this workshop. It come about because of the pandemic, and I can't travel for the immediate future anyway, out of Australia. And I had a wonderful team of people in Brazil, in Curitiba, asked me could I translate the Pedagogy wheel into Portuguese. Of course we did that, and this workshop is a result of them wanting to dig deeper on the model. It's exciting, it's very comprehensive, it's in 2 languages. I did 216, that's 108 slides in each of English and Portuguese. It was a lot of work, but I designed this so that it could be easily translated into another language. It's got captions on all the video, and that video is captioned in English and in Portuguese in this case. But if you want to translate it for me into another language, we can do that very easily, and we can produce solid workshop curriculum in your first language. Contact me if you're interested. Rejoice with me now. It's ready to go, and hopefully it will make a difference to a lot of teachers around the world.